welcome back. So today is Wednesday and I have another DIY for you. I hope you guys are excited to see this DIY because I'm always excited to show you my creations. So if you guys are interested, just keep on watching. Okay, I'm going to be using these organizers from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to be going in with this stencil that I picked up from Walmart. So now what I'm going to be doing is going in with these 3 glass balls. I'm going to take them outside and spray paint them. Alright, I'll be going in with my fine glitter and my pot mixture. So next I'll be taking these 2 plates from the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to be going in with these Dollar Tree tea light holders that are in the diamond shape. All that I have today. I hope you guys enjoyed this little DIY. If you have, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, as well as hitting that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.